Hi, what's up, Metahero coin holders? What's going on this time, my friends? Metahero is completely on the lost. Minus 16.1% Metahero were fails down. But don't worry, my friends. I will tell you, my friends, the next dump, the next pump, my friend. Absolutely, the very huge pump is coming soon. But for that, you will need, my friends, to watch this video completely to understand better. And you will also understand, my friends, better to really the next pump is coming soon, or they will dump down more and more. So let's get started the brand video, but please before I get started this video I have one request to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type videos. If you want to earn money, now subscribe this channel. My friends, Metahero is fails down minus 16.1%. the price is decreased now just in only in last 24 hours. But what's the reason, my friend? The first reason was that to short-term investor are starting selling, and when a short-term investor, my friend, is starting selling, then the coin is completely go to the garbage. And this time absolutely they will do something like that. So this time, as you can see, my friend, is the update of Metahero. You can see, my friend, as on the screen, 0.116510 USD dollar is the current price. This time the market cap, as you can see, my friend, is also 5 billion, and you can say 24-hour trading volume, so 22 billion, and fully diluted valuation, you can say 1 trillion, my friend. It's in trillion. And circulating supply, you can see 4 trillion, and total supply, you can see, my friend, is 9 trillion, and max supply, you can see, is 10 trillion. My friend, every coin will move upward after a dump, but this time you can see, my friend, absolutely the price will increasing now. So that's really good news, my friend, for all of you. To the price will starting upward after a dump. So I hope, my friends, you will need to just only wait one day. I hope after a short dump they will again pumps up. You can see, my friend, this time they will dumps down, but I hope, my friends, to after one day they will again starting moving upward and going up like a rocket. First of all, try to understand, to every coin will moving in this circulation, to after a dump they will pumps, and after a pumps they will dump. So therefore it is 100% chance in upcoming time the Metahero price will pumping up. So kindly holders, you will need to hold down. I hope, my friends, they will give you a profit. See you next time, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.